Rightio, so on the 13 here, I have just finished and confirmed installing some paper straws for the aileron servo wire and the spoiler servo wire. There. So originally the servo for the aileron, well, and the spoiler. Yeah, not sure what that one was for. Looks like it might have been an inspection bay or something. But that was definitely the aileron servo bay, and that's the wing root down there. And it was a cable, like a, what do you call that, braided cable that came out through the webbing there and out to the control horn. So there's no way I was going to take all the leading edge sheeting off to route a servo wire. So this was my plan A. So you might notice it's actually got 3 straight legs to it. So there's one from the servo bay to the back of the spoiler, and it kinks, and then follows the servo spoiler bay and kinks again, and then comes back over to, there'll be a common exit here. That was the original joiner bar hole, because he put the joiner bar, Dad put the joiner bar between the spar caps, and now I've moved that forward. If you're at any point going to go down this path, try and sort of get these holes aligned as best you can. It just makes it difficult. So what I've done is I've basically butt joined. Let's see. I've basically butt joined the straw with super glue. So you'll notice here that one length of straw from there to there has taken the 3 ribs. Sorry, what am I trying to say? Gone past 2 bays or 3 ribs, so the single straw can accommodate the corner, so that these joins are easier to align. Because if you try and make a join here, you're going to want the straw is not going to want to align up with the other straw coming from the other side. So, cut a long story short, the straw takes the bend. The single straw takes the bend, and then it makes it easier to align. I think I did the same over here. Yeah, there's a join there and a join there. So that's the 2 bends in the run. But I've just put I've just put a cable through it. I've just drawn a cable through it. Started off with this little tiny thin one with the drill bit taped to it, and then just gravity fed it from the servo bay, and it came out the other end. And then I pulled the servo cable through just to ensure that it goes through before. I mean, it'll probably be one of the last things I'll do is to set up the servo bay. Oh, that's a thought. I'm gonna have to put a servo hatch. I'm gonna have to reverse this and put the hatch on the bottom. Put the servo hatch on the bottom so that the sheeting is continuous across here, the covering. Oh well, another job next time.